Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. In today's video, we are going to solve a classic Leetcode problem, increasing triplet subsequence. And we will do it in big O of n time and a big O of 1 space. Before we dive in, do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome Python tutorials every day. So, in the problem, you are given an integer array nums and we need to return true if there exists a triplet I comma j comma k such that I is less than j and j is less than k, and nums I less than nums j and nums and that is less than nums k. So let's look at few examples. For example, like here we have been given an array and 5 4 3 2 1, like for example, let's look at the array nums here, and uh, here it returns true because for any triplet where I is less than j and j is less than k is valid. And similarly for this array nums 5 4 3 2 1, there is no triplet that exists for such that I is less than j and j is less than k. So we might be thinking of checking all the combination of three numbers, but that would take big O of n cube, or at least or at best big O of n square time, which is way too slow or for big arrays. So how do we do it in big O of n time and big O of one space? We only need to track two variables, first and second, and the two smallest numbers we have seen so far, so that could form the beginning of an increasing triplet. Okay, so we will initialize first and second to infinity and loop through each number in the array, and if number is less or equal to first, then we will update the first. Otherwise, if num is less than or equal to second, then we will update the second. And in other cases, you have found a number greater than both, so we will return true. Okay, let's try to implement this method. Define two variables, second equal to float, and that will be infinity. Okay, and for num in nums, we will check if num is less or equal to first, then we will update first with the current number. Okay, and similarly for second, we will check if num is less or equal to second, then we will update the value of second as num. And in other conditions, like we will return true. Okay, and if none of these returns, then we will just return false. That means we do not have that kind of triplet here. So let me try to run it and check if it works for test case 1, test case 2 and test case 3. Let me check it. Now as we can see here that it has complete our code has passed test case 1 and test case 2 and test case 3. Now we will try to submit it and check if it works for all the test cases or not, and how does it perform in terms of time complexity and space complexity. So as we can see here, it beats around 84.50% of users in terms of time complexity and 24.06% users in terms of space complexity. So here we have an elegant big O of n time and big O of one space solution to the increasing triplet subsequence problem. So this is actually very frequently asked in interviews. So make sure you understand this logic deeply. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, drop a comment if you have got question, and hit that subscribe button for more DSA deep dives with Geeky Codes. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.